Hello, I'm Scott with Sean's Photography. Today we're going to talk about the ATOTO A6. Now this one's different than the other video. This one is the PB, so this one has the buttons. I had to send the other one back due to the fact that there was no output out the speakers. Again, no fault to the company. Again, things happen, not upset. But again, I got... after thinking about it, I might as well get the button one. So, let's pop it open. Again, just like the last one, we have the Wi-Fi antenna. We have the add-on microphone. We have the wiring harness. We have the quick charger USB and data, and we have two USBs, standard charge and data. Again, the mounting brackets that I won't be able to use because I already have the mounting kit for my van. We have the GPS antenna. Again, we have the little miniature frame that is not going to work for me. Again, I have a mounting kit already in the van. Again, we have our manual, and here is the warranty letter by ATOTO. Again, instructions are easy to read. Again, I think they're the exact same as the other ones. So, but hopefully you can probably see this one a little bit better since I don't have the exposure as bright as the last time. Here's the accessories that you can get. I have the OBD2 reader, so I already got that. I returned this, and again, it could have been the fault of the unit that I had before. So I did return it, and I don't need it anyway. Here we have a rear camera, and we have another rear camera and the front camera. And I guess there's a CD changer and everything you can get for this if you need a CD changer. Let's pop this open and pull it out. Let's take a look at it for the first time. Again, this is Kaizen foam, as I explained in the other video. And let's just set this up here. We'll pull the tape off, pull it out of the foam bag. Here you go, that we have, again, a little protective cover on it like the other one did. And this one has a little place where you can actually pull it off. The other one you had to peel with the corner. Here is our reset button. This one here is not recessed in the unit, which on the other unit I had to use one of these. That comes with your phone. SD card. And again, physical buttons compared to the other one. And again, there's no parallaxing on this one because, as you can see right here, that is the distance between, on the other screen, that's the distance between the touch screen to the screen behind it. So, like I said, it's that distance right there. This one is straight on it, so it's going to be a lot easier when you push your button. It's going to be right on it. Again, I had to turn the other one in due to the fact that there was no audio out. Everything else performed and functioned perfectly, except for there was no audio out. Again, it happens. So make sure you test your stuff before installing it into your car, because there's nothing like installing it all the way into your car, then finding out something doesn't work, and then you got to take it all back out again. Again, here's the IR report, or IR port. Your mic port for this microphone here, so you can mount this somewhere in the car. Again, there is a microphone right here in the front, and I find it to be just fine, but you know, if you want that extra security, you can actually put this one in. We have our GPS antenna connector here, our Wi-Fi antenna connector here, our wiring harness plug connector here. Again, a 10 amp fuse. We have our USB A and USB 2 or B, which the A is going to be the quick charger, the B is going to be the standard charger. Again, we have our sub right here, and we have our left and right out for your amplifier. And that's the front, and these are the rears. Right here, this yellow one here is going to be for your backup camera, and this is going to be for your video in. Now, these are your lines in right here. And again, I bought extended USB cables that will plug onto here, and they're mounting into the certain spots in the van. So they're actually I don't have them next to me, I guess. I thought I might have. But they will pre-mount into the van and stay there forever. And again, instead of having cables running out from the back of the stereo and then putting an extension on it and coming out, this one here is an extension, but it's pre-mounted in the car, so it looks like it's stock. So there will be one in the glove box, and there will be one down by the shifter, or the shifter. Here's your antenna. Again, it's very light, it's compact, it's got the factory seal right there on the side. Do not attempt to remove that. That will void your warranty. Again, here's the serial numbers here on the back. Again, we're going to try this one out again and see if this one functions properly, so I can actually do the video to install it in my van. Again, my name is Scott with Sean's Photography. This is the ATOTO A6, and thank you for watching.